Maybe you have a Jeep vehicle and you need to get into the hood of the vehicle. First thing you'll do is walk up to the driver's side door, open that up. Once you get inside, right where your left foot would be, you're going to come straight up from there. You're going to see this little picture of a vehicle with the hood open. You'll pull on that and you'll hear a pop in the front of the vehicle. Walk up to the front of the vehicle. Now what you'll do is you'll take one hand, usually your left hand, and lift up on the hood, and you'll take your right hand and slide it to the left. But I'm going to do it in the reverse order just because of where the camera is located. So I'm going to lift up, put my hand in here, and I'm going to slide to the left. There's a little latch in there, and we'll just lift up. It's hydraulic, it'll go straight up. And there's your engine bay. Right here is that little tab, and so we're going to put our hand there when we come in, and we sweep that to the left, and that's going to release it so we can lift it up. To close it, all you're going to do is just reach up, grab it, pull it down, and you can just let it slam really hard and it'll close in one shot. And then lift up, always make sure that it's fully secure. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.